School outfitters created ideas for adapting science labs based on CDC guidelines and observations from schools where students have already returned. Lab activities pose a challenge for social distancing, since much of the work involves hands-on projects that are typically run in teams. Let's see an example of a lab adaptation, so we can talk through ideas for preserving teamwork while infusing a few more safety measures. Here is a science lab in a typical arrangement for group work. And here are some ideas to modify this room to run safer lab experiments in teams. Ideas for adapting the science lab include: consider rearranging the furnishings to create larger walkways between workspaces. If you are rotating fewer students into each lab session, consider removing excess furnishings. Clear tabletop dividers or clear freestanding partitions could let teams collaborate on both sides of the panel. Students can see each other and observe experiments while the acrylic barriers reduce the sharing of respiratory particles. Consistent lab partners could reduce the chance of spreading potential sickness across the entire class. Think about offering individual materials, tools, and kits to reduce the chance of cross-contamination from sharing items. Consider adding to your students' personal protective equipment. Masks or face shields could augment the protection they get from wearing goggles and gloves. Think about how to increase access to hand washing at portable sinks or at sanitizer stands. Consider how to offer ready access to cleaning supplies in sanitizer carts or in overhead cabinets. Consider storing goggles and other shared items in UV storage cabinets. Also, consider UV disinfectant wands to quickly clean without chemical cleaning agents. Now, let's focus on specific products for your health and safety needs. Dividers hinder the sharing of respiratory particles. Students can easily arrange clear tabletop dividers so they can work effectively across their safety panels. Freestanding clear dividers let the teacher establish the buffers between lab partners. Freestanding dry erase dividers let teams record their thoughts while they keep a guard against germ transmission. Sanitizing equipment and supplies must be easy to access. Mobile sanitizing carts can be wheeled wherever they are needed. Freestanding sanitizing stations provide consistent locations for cleaning hands. Individual squirt bottles can be quickly transferred to different work areas. UV disinfection lights let schools sanitize with the same shortwave radiation that hospitals have used for years to eliminate microorganisms from surfaces. UV wands quickly disinfect items that are difficult to wipe, like keyboards or microscopes. UV storage cabinets are great for disinfecting shared items like goggles or lab tongs. Personal protective equipment form the front line of defense for each student. Masks protect against respiratory particles from the mouth and the nose. Face shields also protect against respiratory particles, while additionally protecting the eyes and the skin around the face. Goggles are a staple of lab protection for the eyes. Gloves can be worn during lab work and when wiping down work surfaces after the lab session. Infrared thermometers let teachers check temperatures quickly without involving the mouth. We hope this video helps you as you consider how to adapt your science labs. For even more information, please click the paper titled Implementing Effective Social Distancing and Hygiene Practices in School Buildings. This paper includes an expanded summary of relevant CDC guidelines, current back-to-school practices from around the world, and a fuller list of concepts for adapting other school areas. If you want to talk through any ideas you have, please contact one of our consultants. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching.